Knowing your water is free from 17 harmful substances and purified in 4 stages, there's always clean water at your convenience to boost your performance anytime.
So how does Panasonic TK-CJ600 make my life easier and healthier?
Panasonic TK-CJ600 has a long-life filter equipped with MicroClear where it can purify 4,000 liters a year at a higher purification level. From drinking water to prepping your meals, enjoy convenience with our easy flow water switch and clean easily with our removable outlet cover. Choose with or without LCD display for easier replacement timing, so you can plan ahead on filter replacements, which can be easily replaced with just a twist. With Panasonic, you can now drink fresh and clean water, free from harmful pollutants and substances at your convenience, ensuring you pure and worry-free water as well as quality and durable water purifying performance. Healthy and sustainable lifestyle for everyone with Panasonic Faucet Water Purifier TK-CJ600.
Panasonic.